Hey guys, welcome back to the part 2, and like I said, for the part 2 I will show you how to make the skirt into this top to form the beautiful little dress, okay? And if you haven't seen the part 1 how to make this top, I will put the link in the description below. And for the part 1, I just show you how to make this top, okay? And if you're gonna leave it like this, totally fine. And if you wanna make the skirt out of this top, come back to see me in the part 2 here. I will show you how to do that. Alright, so yeah, let's get started. So with the top right side out, I'm gonna turn my top this way, and then I'm gonna attach a new yarn right here. So bring your hook, 3.5mm hook, okay? The same hook that I used for the top, and then the same yarn as well. So insert your hook right into the side seam here, right at the bottom here. We crochet on the right side, okay? And we're gonna crochet in round for the skirt. And then bring the new yarn. And after I insert my hook into that side seam, I bring a new yarn and hold it on the back. And then yarn over hook, pull up a loop, and then I'm gonna chain 3. 1, 2, and 3. The first 3 chains always count as 1 double crochet, and then we're gonna make 1 double crochet into each stitch around, and also make 1 double crochet into this side seam as well, okay, to voice a big hole. Alright, I show you. So after I chain 3, I'm gonna make a double crochet into the next stitch here, and I'm gonna work over this tail as well. You don't have to do that, you can weave this in later, totally up to you. So I yarn over my hook, insert the hook into the next stitch here, yarn over, pull up a loop. I have 3 loops on my hook. I yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and then just keep repeating that around. So double crochet into the next stitch, and double crochet into the next stitch, and double crochet into the next. Oops. And double crochet into the next, and double crochet into the next. Alright, I just keep making 1 double crochet into each stitch around, and then I will be back when I'm at the end here. Alright, I'm at the end of round 1 here, and I have a total of 136 stitches around. Again, this is just for size small, okay? Every size is different. Just check your size. And then to finish round 1, we're gonna make a slip stitch into the 3rd chain that we did here. So this is my last double crochet on round 1, and then next I'm gonna insert my hook into that 3rd chain, yarn over, pull up a loop, and then pull through. That is slip stitch. Alright, and then for round 2, we're gonna increase. We're gonna make 1 double crochet into the first stitch, and then 2 double crochet into the next stitch, and then repeat that. It's like 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2 around, okay? Don't worry, I'll show you. So first, chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Again, the first 3 chains always count as 1 double crochet. So now I have the first double crochet here, and then next I'm gonna make 2 double crochet into the next stitch. So yarn over, insert the hook into the next stitch, and make a double crochet, and then make 1 more double crochet into the same stitch. Okay, and then we're gonna repeat that. We're gonna make 1 double crochet into the next stitch, and 2 double crochet into the next stitch. And repeat that. 1 double crochet into the next, 2 double crochet into the next. Oops, sorry. Okay, repeat that. 1 double crochet into the next, 2 double crochet into the next. Repeat that. 1 double crochet into the next, and 2 double crochet into the next. Alright, here's what it looks like so far on round 2. You're just gonna keep repeating this. So next, you're gonna make 1 double crochet into the next, 2 double crochet into the next, and then repeating that around. And I will be back when I'm at the end of round 2. I'm at the end of round 2 here, and I have a total of 204 double crochet stitches around. And to finish round 2, we're gonna slip stitch into the 3rd chain right here. Okay, set the hook, pull up a loop and pull it through. Alright, and then for round 3, we're gonna chain 3, always count as 1 double crochet, and we're gonna make 1 double crochet into each stitch around. So I'm gonna make the double crochet into the next stitch here. Oops, sorry. And then double crochet into the next, and double crochet into the next, and double crochet into the next. Alright, keep making 1 double crochet into each stitch around, and I will be back when I'm at the end of round 3 here. I'm at the end of round 3 here, and I have the same. I have 204 stitches around. And then for round 4 to round 33, I'm gonna repeat round 3. Very easy. Just double crochet into each stitch around, no increase, no decrease. And now, if you want a shorter dress, make less round. And if you want a longer dress, just keep repeating round 3. Very easy, right? Alright, I think it's 33 rounds is perfect length for me, but everyone like different, so yep, totally up to you. So to finish round 3, we're gonna do the same. We're gonna make a slip stitch into the 3rd chain here. So I insert my hook into the 3rd chain, pull up a loop and pull it through. Let me show you a few stitches on round 4 here. Like I said, just repeat round 3. We chain 3, always count as 1 double crochet, and then double crochet into the next stitch, and double crochet into the next stitch, and double crochet into the next stitch, and double crochet into the next, and double crochet into the next. Alright, I just gonna keep repeating round 3 over and over until I have a total of 33 rounds. And then I will be back when I'm at the end of round 33. Good luck, take your time, and I will be back soon. Okay, now I'm at the end of round 33. It's pretty big. Sorry, I cannot show you the whole thing, but I show you in the picture here, okay? And then at the end of round 33, yes, what it looks like. And after I slip stitch into the 3rd chain, I just gonna cut the yarn and weave the end. And like I said, if you want a longer skirt, feel free to add more rounds, okay? Just double crochet over and over, alright? And after I cut my yarn, I pull my yarn out, and then I will weave the end later. And I'm pretty sure you know how to weave the end, right? I'm not gonna show you how to do that. You just weave the end inside the skirt. Alright, that's it. Let me show you here real quick. So here's my beautiful dress. See? Very cute. Alright. I hope you enjoy making this project. If you did, please give this video a big thumb up and share this video with your friends. I would appreciate that so much. And I would love to see everyone's work. If you want to share with me, please just text me on Facebook or Instagram. I will put all the links in the description below. Alright, thank you so much for watching. I will see you next video. Bye bye.